In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Cloudflare Proxy, whether you're troubleshooting a specific issue, looking to change how your traffic is routed, or simply want to understand the process better. This guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely. Disabling the Cloudflare Proxy is sometimes necessary to bypass Cloudflare's network and connect directly to your origin server. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard. Head over to the Cloudflare website and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home page where you can see a list of all the domains you've added to your Cloudflare account. This is essentially your control panel for managing everything Cloudflare related. Next, locate the specific domain for which you want to disable the proxy service. If you're managing multiple domains, take a moment to double-check that you're selecting the correct one. Click on the domain name, and this will bring you to a detailed settings page for that domain. Now, look for the DNS section in the menu. This section is where you can view and modify your DNS records. Once you've found it, click on it to open the DNS management page. This is where the real action begins. You'll see a list of all the DNS records associated with your domain, including A records, CNAME records, and more. At this point, your goal is to identify which records are currently proxied through Cloudflare. These records will have an orange cloud icon next to them. The orange cloud indicates that traffic to that record is being routed through Cloudflare's network. This is what you'll be disabling. To disable the proxy for a specific record, simply click on the orange cloud icon next to that record. When you do this, the orange cloud will change to a gray icon. The gray cloud indicates that the record is now set to DNS only, meaning traffic will bypass Cloudflare and connect directly to your server. It's as simple as that. Once you've made this change, double-check to see if a save button or confirmation prompt appears. In some cases, Cloudflare might ask you to confirm your changes. If you see a save button, click it to ensure your changes are applied. Now, all that's left to do is wait for the DNS changes to propagate. This process can take a few minutes, but in some cases it could take longer for the changes to take effect globally. During this time, you can use tools like DNS propagation checkers to monitor the status of your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the Cloudflare proxy for your selected DNS record. This means traffic will now bypass Cloudflare's network and connect directly to your origin server. Whether you're testing configurations, troubleshooting, or making adjustments to your setup, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.